Hello aspirants, I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from Incar IAS Academy. Today we are going to see about the 21st November current affairs from the topic of opinion, that is dignity in the press is required. That is the topic today, which is taken from the Delhi edition. This topic is comes under the GS2 government policies and intervention for the development in various sectors and issues arising out of their design and the implementation. First of all, there is a fight on accessibility and dignity in Indian prisons is a complex issue that involves many factors, including the right of the prisoner and the role of the government and the need of the prison reforms. There is a prisoner rights. The prisoner have constitutional right, including the right to life, personal liberty as guaranteed by our Article 14, 19, and also 21 of our Indian Constitution. There is a government responsibility to ensuring the right of the prisons, including those with the disabilities, and also we can take the prison reforms. The government has been providing financial technical assistance to state government to modernize the prison and also reform offenders. And also there is a prison condition where criticized, there is a poor condition including overcrowding, inadequate staff, and also lack of care for the prisoners. And also there is a political will. Some believe that there is a prisoner is deserved, which can undermine political will for prison reform. Some other issues are solitary confinement as a punishment, access to health services, reintegration of ex-prisoners into society, coordination effort from all the institutions of the justice administration system are handheld. Regarding this political will, all prisoners, including those with the disabilities, or the responsibility of the government given the prison in a state subject. The state government being to explicit responsibility to explore a responsibility to ensure that the right of prison with disabilities. And also there is a many uh, debate over there that Professor Chian Sai Baba in Just, one of the travesty of justice, but it also a glaring indictment of the cruelly faced prisoner with disabilities in India. His bitter victory came in March 2024, and he was finally exonerated after a decade behind bars, but just a month later in October 2024, he passed away. A stark reality in inhumane condition in the prisons, that is the challenges faced by the disabled prisoner. That is, while recounting at a press conference the unimaginable horrors can be endured during his incarceration. That is, he described that his challenge, he had even basic tasks using the toilet, fetching water, or having a bath due to incomplete lack of wheelchair accessibility. Or the Nagpur jail also premises also lacking, the under cell was so cramped, and that he had relied fellow inmates to lift his wheelchair, which often led to injuries. There is a historical context of prison abuse in India. There is a prison in India have been plagued by violence, abuse, and also the neglection. That in 1979 to 80, the infamous that is Baglapur bindings incident, that where acid was poured into the prisoner eyes shocked the nation. And also there is a reforms and the Mullah committee recommendation, that is the year 1980, the Mullah committee report of on prison reforms was released, that recommends extensive measure to improve prison condition. And also the administration, the persistent lack of action yet to be policy fashion, so no substantial improvements is followed. There is a stuffed prison, that is appalling condition, that is Ramamurthy versus state of Karnataka in 1996, Bangalore Central Jail. Inmate wrote to the Chief Justice of India about deplorable prison condition. Consequently, Ramamurthy versus state of Karnataka was a landmark case that Supreme Court of India directed the government to address the key issues such as overcrowding, trial and also torture and neglect in prison in line with the Mullah Committee recommendations. And also, again, nearly 3 decades later, no substantial program has been made evident to the current state of prison. There is a overcrowding in the prisons, Indian prisons house, that is 5.73 lakh people for exceeding their capacity of 4.36 lakhs, with many operating at over 100% or even 200% capacity. That is National Crime Record Bureau 2022, Maharashtra Prison Department 2024. While the condition of Indian prisons have always been appalling, they are exhibiting the prisons and also with disabilities. There is a persons with disabilities, vulnerabilities are being neglected. That is, prison with the disabilities are easy target to abuse and violence from other prisoners and also prison staffs. There is a special need or simply ignored when they need special assistance with essential daily activities, while the government lack data on the number of condition of prisoners with disabilities. There are numerous news reports highlighting that there is a challenges they encounters, and also one of the most prominent examples include Father Stan Swami, who had Parkinson's disease, was they need essential assistance items such as straw and a sipper during the imprisonment, making it difficult to eat and also drink. So very, very worst condition. That is a rampant inaccessibility in the prisons. Further, prisoner with disabilities also encountered rampant inaccessibility. That is in 2018 audit, that is Tihar Rohini and Mandoli jails in Delhi, conducted by a Nipman Foundation, highlighted accessibility gaps such as the unavailability of the wheelchairs, that is functional wheelchairs, and also inaccessible prison cells, toilets, Mulagot farm rooms, and also there is a recreational spaces, water coolers located on floor which lack accessible entries. And also there is a right that are only on the paper, that constitutional guarantee for the provision that India have the right to equality, freedom of life, personality, liberty as enshrined in the Indian constitution, the principle upheld by the Supreme Court in multiple judgment, but notably Upendra Baxi versus State of UP 1983, that court affirmed that prisoners have to right to live in a human condition with a dignity. And also there is a international obligations for prisoners with disabilities. That is, India has obligation under the various international covenants for the protection of prisoners with the disabilities. The Nelson Mandela rules requires prisoner administration to make the reasonable accommodation and adjustment of prisoners with the disabilities. These obligations are reflected right to prison with a disability act 2016, which mandates that state to protect person with disabilities from abuse, violence, exploitation, and the denial of the food and fluids. The denial is a straw and sipper in the case of Father Stan Swami constituted a clear violation of these laws. And also there is a national guidelines for the personal acceptability. In July 2024, the ministry issued the accessibility guidelines that MHA specific build infrastructure associated services of police stations, prisons, and disaster mitigation center, which outline detailed requirements to make prison facility accessible. And also there is a enforcement of the implementation of the some of the challenges, that is both against abuse for accessibility appear promising on paper, and also there are seldom enforced like many other pieces of social welfare legislation in India. Had the reality had been different, Professor Sai Baba would have been suffered the way he did a person with a disability. Finally, we conclude that many of the society believe that cruelty to the prisoner is deserved, feeling that troubling indifference that undermines the political will for personal reforms. However, the messages to the state is clear, compliant with the law in spirit of the substance, and also non-negotiable. Regardless the political will, all prisoners, including those with disabilities, are the responsibility of the responsibility to ensure the right of the prisoners, and also we can give the protection and very good lifestyle of the prisoners. Thank you.